Looking for a cute Easter paper craft idea in 2019? Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. Just in time for Easter because today I'm going to show you two DIY. With this DIY you can decorate and gift your friends with little bit of imaginations. So let's get started. But my friend, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so when I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. So, are you ready? Let's go! Take green color paper and make strips with the help of pencil and cut them out with scissor like this. So now you have few green strips with you. Now take orange paper and make strips with pencil like this. Here I am using this decorative scissor. If you don't have, no problem. Use normal scissor and cut the strips. Make few strips. Now take one orange strip, fold it into half and press it. Cut the strip here and apply glue and paste it. It will look this way. Now take green strip and fold it into 3 folds like this. Cut with scissor. So now you have 3 strips of green. Take one green strip, apply glue, fold, paste it. Take another strip, paste, take another strip, paste it this way. So you can see how beautiful it looks. Apply glue on the edge of orange strip and paste the green strip. Now apply glue here. Paste it this way. So your carrot is ready. Make few more or as per to your wishes. Now you can tie or paste on thread or ribbon and decorate on door. Do comment below, did you like this craft? Now I will show you to make second DIY, how to make Easter carrot candy gift wrap. Take orange construction paper 6 by 4 inches and make a cone as shown. With hot glue, paste it. Or you can use white glue. With scissor, cut this way on top. It will look like this. Take few gems or chocolates and insert in cone. Take small green piece of green paper and make this way. With hot glue, paste it as shown. Now take lace and paste it to decorate on this carrot wrap. You can decorate how you like. Here I am going to paste small flowers. Let me show you one more to decorate this carrot. Same way, make cone, add chocolate. You can staple, make bow with lace like this. Top of it, add flower. Yeah, it's done. Isn't it so cute and creative DIY to decorate your room and gift your friends with little bit of imaginations? Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you make one, please share with me on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Creations. And do let me know which one is your favorite in comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.